welcome back to my channel. So this video is sponsored by Sunber Hair, and they sent me their Brazilian body wave, and I got 26, 26, 26 and 20-inch frontal. And basically I'm just going to show you guys how I slay this wig. So this hair, guys, is super soft. I absolutely love it. Like, body wave is my favorite hair. And yeah, so as you guys can see, I put foundation on the frontal so that it, blends in with my skin tone. And then as usual, I'm using my Got To Be spray. As you guys can see, the frontal is really easy to blend. It's really like, a really thin frontal that you can actually work with. So I'm just gonna cut around my hairline, and I'm gonna cut in a zigzag motion. You guys already know this. And yeah, basically just play around until I get the perfect, so it looks good. As you guys can see, this frontal is really good for deep complexions. All I literally done was put some of my foundation on it, and it looks really good. So you don't want a frontal that's super thick. I don't really like thick frontals because it doesn't look, it doesn't look as natural as possible. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. Also, the Got To Be spray really gives it a nice blend. So guys, I really like this frontal. So shout out to Sunber Hair. I'm really impressed. By the way, guys, this comb is so easy to use. Like, when you're laying down your frontal, it's really easy and it doesn't get stuck to the glue with your fingers. So yeah. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna go back and forth quite a few times just to make sure there isn't that much lace showing, and I'm just trying to make it look as natural as possible. Also, guys, you don't want to cut the lace on a straight, you don't want to cut it straight, just because it's gonna look really it's not gonna look nice. So make sure you cut in a zigzag motion, kind of like, you gotta play around with it. So right now I'm just cutting around my ear so I can put the hair behind my ear if I wanted to, and then I'm just going to apply the Got To Be spray. And yeah, guys, that's basically all I do. So right now I'm just spraying the Got To Be spray and then using my hard comb. This is just going to flatten down the hair. As you guys can see, this is a really good thick quality, good quality hair. So yeah, I just like it to be kind of flat at the top. So I'm just going to keep on flattening it down with the spray. And then I basically just tied my hair back so that it lays flatter when I open it. And as usual, guys, I use my powder on my parting to make it look more natural. And then I'm just gonna have a few baby hairs on each side. You guys know I always have to have baby hairs on each side. As you guys can see, the frontal looks really good. It looks really natural, and yeah, I'm really impressed with this hair. Actually, it's actually one of my favorite hairs. So I'm just going to do the same on the other side. By the way, guys, when you're drying the hair, make sure you use it on a cool temperature because you don't want to burn your scalp. It happened to me before and it's just not cute. So yeah, I just want to warn you guys. So right now guys, I'm all glammed up, and then this is how the hair looks. I literally just put coconut oil on it, and I'm going for the really like wet look that's going on right now. I feel like the wet look is a trend, so I literally just put coconut oil. I'm gonna spray some water on it, and as you guys can see, this hair is super soft, really easy to work with. You don't really need to do much, and this is how it looks, guys. So yeah guys, I really love this hair. Thank you to Sunber Hair for sponsoring this video. All the links will be in the description box down below, so definitely go and check that out. Guys, what frontal, like, I actually love this hair. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.